How to make money online via 22 apps. First of all, what is 22 apps? In short, it can build iOS and Android app by only drag and drop. You will be able to build the app and do not need to hire someone. Meaning it is very easy to build the app with it. So, how can you make money from it, you may ask? To begin with, you get your free license via the link below. Once you get your free license, you will have a link of yourself. Then you share your link to friend, Facebook and social platforms. 22 Apps is a mobile app builder. Or you can create a YouTube video just like this one. First income, 20% referral fee for someone sign up under you. You will get 20% recurrence referral fee as long he continues as paid member. Second income, 5% referral fee when your paid member signed up someone. Same, you will get 5% recurrence referral fee as long the new member continues as paid member. In short, you can earn 25% of referral for life with no cost. Third income, you can use this tool to build an app for yourself. When your app have members, you start to make money. Fourth income, you can make money by helping people to build app. You charge them a fee for building the app for them. At this point of time, let me do a short summary. Here we are so far. You can have 4 sources of income with no cost to you. All you need to do is sharing your link to other people. Hope it is clear at this point. Now, you might ask, why would someone want to join as paid member? Okay, this is how the 22 apps works. You pay nothing to use the app. You pay nothing to build app from it. You pay nothing when your app is fully functional and started to make money. Now imagine this, your app start to grow and have more members. You are making money via the advertisement in the app or an app purchase. When your app member reach 2,500, you need to join as paid member. The money you made will definitely be more than the member fee. By the way, the member fee is only $97 per month. Once you are paid member, your referral increased to 40% and 10% for life. Now let me conclude. At a start, with no cost to you, you can have 4 sources of income. Later, you use the app to build your own app business. You start to make money from the app and only then you need to pay. This 22 apps is amazing and it really help people who want to make money online. Take action now and good luck. See you in the next video.